What up, guys? You know, it's Marty. Anyway, guys, today, I'm gonna show you how to jump start your Ford Maverick hybrid. Cause you know me, I got myself this Ford Maverick hybrid. Like, see, take a look. All right, so this is my Ford Maverick hybrid. You know. All right, now we're gonna show you how to jump start, because I got myself this little jump starter dealie right here, and there's been some recalls about on the Ford Mavericks about the battery not working and everything. So I had an issue with mine about a year ago, that whole thing happening, and you know, I just wanted to show all you how to jump start your vehicle, you know, in case this happens to you, because I had to jumpstart mine several times, and then finally they were able to replace the battery at the dealership. But now I guess there was this replacing the batteries because like Ford has acknowledged the issue. So if you're unaware, guys, in the hybrids, I'll just hold you like this. These guys. So I got myself this Osmos Pocket 3 and everything, and I was thinking I probably am gonna end up breaking this. So, just as I showed you, it just flew right off my tripod, because I guess I didn't have it secure enough. But anyway, guys, back to the Maverick. So, if you're unaware, the hybrids, the battery compartment is, actually, it's on the other side though. So, it's on the passenger side, underneath the seat. So, if you just take this little dealie right here, you see, and you lift up. Now, I got a bunch of stuff right there, so I can't really lift it up, but, you know, if you just lift it up, the battery's underneath there. But no, that's not how you change the battery. What you need to do, guys, is you need to go over here, so open up your door, you know, and you go over here, you know, to your little dealie, and you gotta go twice, guys. You gotta pull twice. You go once, twice. So, right then, the hood is open. So then you just gotta go over here, and you gotta go. Rawr. Now I gotta put some light on here, so hold tight. Hi guys. So as you can see, I opened up my hood and everything. You know, you gotta, and I got a little flashlight right there. So anyway, guys. So here's the engine, and you just like, man, there's a lot of stuff in this engine. But, you know, the battery, it's not in the engine bay. And like I said, it's in the back passenger seat. So you're like, well, how am I supposed to jump my battery? Well, guys, this is how you do it. So look over here. You see. Right here. You know, bear with me. So right there, you see that little bolt right there? You got to connect it to there. And then you go over here to this little red dealie, and you gotta put it right there. So you see right there, you gotta pull on this. So you gotta go up, and you gotta wiggle it around, guys. You know, you gotta wiggle, you know, just a little bit, and then you pull it back, and there you go, guys. So that's right there is your connection point, you know, right there and right there. Now, alright, guys. So now you got your little Narco Boost jump box. So you gotta put your negative, you see, your negative to your negative over here. You know, it's clamped on. And then you gotta take your positive, you see your positive, and you gotta clamp your positive on right here, guys. Now, I don't need to jump start this thing and everything. We're losing focus again. So I don't personally need to jumpstart this because it's good to go and everything. But, you know, that's what you got to do. Put your negative, your positive, you turn it on, and, you know, you off to the races, guys. So anyway, hopefully all you out there enjoyed watching this how-to video about, you know, how to charge up your Ford Maverick hybrid. Anyway, thanks for watching Marty Kauffman, the YouTube channel, where I guess right now we're just doing like Maverick, like car content and everything. Because the last couple videos I talked about the Maverick, boy, have they been doing well. So, expect more Maverick contact right here on Marty Kauffman, the YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Take care of yourself. Be kind of one. Keep spreading good vibes only. And remember, I'll see all you in the next one. Marty out. Oh, also, let me know whether Maverick content all you out there would like to see. So, comments below. Thanks for watching. And, let me know how I can improve, because you guys know, always learning. Burp.